This is a quick and straight to the point video where I show you my strategy to promote Warrior+ affiliate offers. What's up, woodworkers, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified whenever I publish a video about making money online. And if you want to support me making this kind of tutorials and videos, please hit the like button and or drop a comment. I'll be back personally to comment and answer your questions. Now, Warrior+ is one of the best networks when it comes to digital marketing affiliate offers, affiliate marketing, or make money online offers. And most of my earnings come from promoting Warrior+ offers and also sales from my own products and funnels. And by the way, I create specific funnel for a specific affiliate offer to promote as an affiliate. So this will be two birds with one stone. Building a subscribers list and also making affiliate commissions from the offers that I promote on the back end, usually of my funnels. So here is what you see here is like my modest earnings. If I click here, for example, this week I made $7. Well, it's $61. If I click on the last week, it will be last week $100. But this month, for example, 127, and for the last 30 days it will be 248. So this is my dashboard. This is the first time I show my Warrior+ dashboard, just to give you an idea of what we can do using this strategy. So as I said in the beginning, I will not waste your time and I will go straight to the point. So this is my strategy to make this kind of commissions. So the first thing I do is I find affiliate offers that I want to promote. I say want to promote because I don't want to promote something that I don't like or that I don't understand. So I need to be sure what I am promoting to my followers and to my subscribers. The choice can be two different offers around the same topic, but offering two different solutions. And like this, your prospects will have the choice to grab one offer or the other, and in the two cases you will make commission. And in order for you to find the affiliate offers to promote, all you have to do is go to affiliate and then click on offers, and then you will see a list of offers that you can request to promote, and after that you can promote your following or drive traffic to those offers. So what I personally like to do is go after offers around hot topics like traffic generation, list building, make money online, and other methods with a conversion rate superior to 10%. 10% for me is acceptable. More than 10% is great. So I want to promote affiliate offers that already convert. So if you see here, for example, this is 3,000 sales, this one have made 3,000 sales and more, etc. All these offers have made lots of sales. This one has made 1,000 plus sales, 13%, and this one has made 1,000 plus sales with 30% conversion rates. So after I find the offer or the offers that I want to promote, of course around the same topic, I will go to the affiliate page of that specific offer. For example, I take a look at the funnel or at the products on that offer, and I see what are the earnings that can be done with that offer. After that, and before requesting to promote this offer, this one here, for example, I'm already approved because I already promoted it. And after I request the promotion, I will go ahead and take a look at the sales page. So I will study the sales page and see what is exactly the problem that this offer is resolving. This information is very important to me because I will collect lots of information from the sales page and build a funnel, my own funnel, where I give away a freebie that resolves the same problem. So this was the second step on this strategy, and I actually build a mini funnel where I give away a freebie. This freebie has to be related to the topic and the chosen offers. It has to make sense. It has to participate to resolve the problem that the prospect is having issue with. Now you can ask me a question and say, how do you come up with the freebie, or how do you create the freebie? Well, I have some techniques on creating interesting freebies on my channel here, and you can check the previous videos to find lots of information about coming up with a freebie that converts. After creating the freebie, what I do next is create my mini funnel, and usually it has 3 pages on it. It has the squeeze page where I collect the email address. It has the bridge page, or the thank you page, where I ask the customer to, or the prospect to verify his email address. And the third page will be the download page where he can, of course, grab the freebie that I promised him. Now here is the answer to the question where exactly I am promoting the affiliate offer that I grabbed from Warrior+plus. I promote it on the thank you page where I ask the prospect to confirm his email. I promote also on the download page where the prospect will download his freebie, and also on the follow-up series on my autoresponder. Let me show you a real example about those mini funnels I use to promote affiliate offers. So this one here is saying how I add 10 plus email subscribers every day and supercharge your email list using traffic exchanges. So if someone is interested by using traffic exchanges to build his list, he will enter his email address and then click the button. He will be taken to the thank you page where I ask the prospect, of course, to confirm his email address, verification email. And in the same time, I say, well, take a look. In the meanwhile, you can check this. And these two here, this one and this one, are affiliate links to affiliate offers. So if anyone goes here and then purchases something, I will get a commission. Now, the prospect will go to his email address and then click on the verification link, and he will land on the thank you page where I deliver the freebie. And in this specific case, the freebie is 2 videos explaining how I make the mini funnels and how I drive traffic using some high quality traffic exchanges. And on this same page, I will just say, here are some tools for banner ads, for example, or here are some related tools that can help you resolve this issue. And then I start giving the links to the affiliate offers. Number 1, number 2, you can see that all of them are speaking about traffic, hot traffic. This is number 2, and this is number 3. So if anyone purchases from clicks here and goes to purchase, I will get a commission. Thank you very much for being here and watching the video. And one more time, if you like what you see, please support the channel by giving me a like, a comment, or subscribe to the channel if you are not yet. Now, the last point on this strategy is promoting my mini funnels, because I need to have people come to see my mini funnels if I want to have some conversions. So I use these following methods to drive traffic to my mini funnels. So some of my traffic sources are, number 1, I publish articles on Quora, and also I answer questions on Quora. And I have about 3 or 4 videos on my channel here explaining exactly how to leverage the power of Quora to drive traffic to your offers. What I do is, like I'm doing right now, I publish YouTube videos. I also publish articles on Medium, which is booming right now. And I post my content, what I publish on my blogs, what I publish on YouTube, what I publish everywhere. I share it on the social media websites like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Reddit. What I do also is I participate in some like specific forums where I post new subjects, and also I comment and interact with other posts. So forum marketing actually is very good, and I will be doing a video in the future days about the forums I work on, and I promote my offers and my mini funnels on. I use also some high quality traffic exchanges. This is a very effective way actually. Lots of people, they don't like the traffic from traffic exchanges, but if you think about it and you approach it like with a smart way, you'll be able to generate traffic and subscribers from traffic exchanges. And I did make a video or two about this, so all you have to do is check the channel and you will find the videos. So this was it about the strategy on how to promote affiliate offers from Warriorplus. You can take a look at the description below if you want to see all the tools I am using. I hope you got some value from this video, and if you did, please drop a comment below, and I will see you on the next video.